Welcome to Calvince Online Math. Let us look at this nice equation. Let us solve this equation. X squared minus 2ax plus a squared minus b squared is equal to 0 using completing the square method. So we are going to start by taking the constant term to the right so that we have x squared minus 2ax equals minus a squared plus b squared. The next step would be to introduce a new c to the left-hand side, because the moment we took the constant term to the right, the left-hand side was left incomplete. So we're going to introduce a new c, and we're going to use the relationship c is given by half of b squared. So our b is minus 2a. So half of that is just minus a. So we're going to have x squared minus 2ax plus half of b squared, and half of b is minus a squared equals minus a squared plus b squared, and we're going to add it to the right also to maintain the balance in the equation. So now the next step would be to simplify the right hand side and take the perfect square in the left hand side. So the perfect square is going to be taken by the root of x squared, which is just x, and then we're going to add that to the root of the new c, which is just minus a, and we're going to take the square of that, and then we're going to simplify the right hand side. That is minus a squared plus b squared plus a squared. So as you can see, in the right hand side, minus a squared plus a squared is 0. So our new equation will be x minus a squared equals to b squared. So from here, we just take the square root of both sides of this equation, so that we have the root of that equals the root of that. So in the left, we have minus x minus a equals plus or minus b, so that x is given by a plus or minus b. So it means there are two values of x. X equals to a plus b, or x equals a minus b. So those are the two solutions of x. X is equal to a plus b, and x equals a minus b. So now let us check if these two solutions are true. Let us start with the first one, and remember our equation was x squared minus 2ab, not 2ab but 2ax plus a squared minus b squared is equal to 0. Let us try if the first solution there is true. We're just going to substitute. Where there is x, we put a plus b. So we're going to have a plus b squared minus 2a into a plus b plus a squared minus b squared. And we want to check if that equals 0. So for the first expression, according to quadratic identities, that will be a squared plus 2ab plus b squared, then minus 2a times a is 2a squared, then plus 2a times b, that will be minus 2ab, then we have plus a squared minus b squared, and we're going to check if that equals 0. Now we can collect like terms. We have a squared, and we have another minus 2a squared, and then there's another one here, plus a squared. Then we have 2ab, then we have another 2ab, so minus 2ab. Then we have b squared, then we have this minus b squared, and we're going to see if that equals 0. So now, a squared minus 2a squared plus a squared is 0, plus 2ab minus 2ab is also 0, plus b squared minus b squared equals 0. So as you can see, both sides of this equation equals 0. So that our first solution is true. Let us now check if the second solution is also true. So our second solution was a minus b. So you're just going to have a minus b squared minus 2a into a minus b plus a squared minus b squared, and we're going to check if that equals 0. So this first expression, according to quadratic identities, is given by a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. Then you have 2a times a is 2a squared, then plus 2ab plus a squared minus b squared, and is that equals 0? Then we collect like terms. We have a squared minus 2a squared, then plus a squared. Then we have minus 2ab. Then you have another one here, so that is plus 2ab. Then we have plus b squared, then minus b squared, and then is that equals 0? So a squared minus 2a is minus a squared, plus a squared, that is 0, plus 2ab minus 2ab is 0, and plus b squared minus b squared, which is also equal to 0. And then you can see that we have 0 on both sides of this equation. So it therefore means that our second solution, that is x is equal to a minus b, is also correct. Thank you for watching. Kindly remember to subscribe. See you in the next video.